Hey travelers, today I'm here at the Riu Santa Fe resort in beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. And today I'm going to show you some of the different room categories that they have here. From this beautiful courtyard pool area, there are rooms surrounding it. If you've heard of the RIU Party, that is the thing that they are known for. This is 4 times a week. They are having pool parties that would rival some of the best Vegas parties. So if this is a place you want to come, if you want to come and do some partying. But they also have ocean view rooms, and those have beautiful views. So let's go and check out the rooms. All of the rooms surrounding this area, the courtyard pool, are they're either first, second, third, or fourth floor. And all of the rooms in this section, it's worth noting, there are no elevators in this section, only in the ocean view or partial ocean view building. So if you are staying in this section, you're gonna have to do a little bit of hiking to get to your room. But let's go take a look at what one of them looks like. This is a standard room with garden view and 2 double beds. You can also get it with a king bed. This is the minibar setup, so it's, as you can see, different alcohol here. They do have coffee makers, and in the mini fridge, it's jam-packed. So again, Pepsi products, Dos Equis, and then it is a closed door bathroom, or a closed bathroom. We've got a nice glass shower with, it's a one-in-all kind of soap, hair shampoo kind of thing. So ladies, you probably want to bring something. And dual vanity, extra towels, hair dryer, and toilet. And then in the closet, we've got a very large, I mean, that's easily gonna fit a laptop, and hangers on both sides, ironing board. And then the newer plugs on the side of the bed. A little storage area, more storage space there. So you can take a look at the pool party. And then again, another plug-in on this side. And then this is overlooking the courtyard. And there we go. So this is where the really nice courtyard pool is. And that's the room. So all of the rooms in this section is surrounding the RIU Party area, so this is where they have parties 4 times a week. Any of the rooms surrounding this, these are designated as RIU Pool Party rooms, and so with that, it's the same layout as all of the other rooms. It's just that you are right up where the party is, and you get a few extra amenities. So let's take a look at one of the rooms looks like. Okay, this is a pool party room. So if you want to have a room that is basically going to be directly overlooking the pool party, you want to look for that designation of room category. So that's the room. We'll just pop around into the bathroom. We do have a door, so it is an enclosed bathroom. And they've gotten rid of the shower curtains, yay! So it's a just a regular shower, and then we've got a dual vanity, hair dryer, and the toilet is there. And we have safe, large safe, very large. Lots of hangers more in there, and ironing board. You've got some storage space just here, as well as, again, we've got the new connectors. So we've got a USB and a plug-in on that side. And I want to show you the gifts that they give you. This should almost be a surprise, but so if you book for 3 nights, then they give you these 3 items. So you get a bag, you get a drink floaty, and you get a mug. If you book for 5 nights, then you also get this, which is a convenient carry case, waterproof carry case for your cell phone. And if you book for 7 nights, you also get a bottle of tequila in the room. So you can get that party going right away. And then on this side, again, we've got the USB as well as regular plug-in, more storage space, a couple of chairs, and then the balcony has a couple of chairs, and just over there is where the pool party is. So you don't have to go very far at all to be able to get to the fun. And this is the ocean view and partial ocean view buildings at the Riu Santa Fe. So depending on where your room is located, that's going to depend on what the view is, and also depends on what you've booked. But it's almost 9 a.m. and as you can see, there's plenty of loungers here. And on this side, we have some more of the in-pool loungers, as well as infinity pool. And on the right and on the left is a swim-up bar as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see you on the next one.